Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Currently, I'm in the DAX Studio and I'm connected to this Superstore Analytics Dashboard dataset. So if you don't know how to install the DAX Studio and how to connect the data source in the DAX Studio, I will link the video in the description so that you can go and watch it. So here, as you can see on my screen, I have already taken two measures. Both the measures are sales growth metric. The only difference is the first measure is using the divide function and the second measure is using the divide operator. And in this video, we are going to see which one is faster between divide function and divide operator. So before that, let me tell you one thing. The expression of this sales measure is sum of sales from the orders table. So here we are considering orders table. So if you can see the stats of the orders table, you can see it has only 16 columns and 10,194 rows. So generally in the real-time project, the number of rows in the fact table will be much higher. So whatever result we get, you can multiply the timings and get an idea. Now I'm going to execute the first expression, which is using divide function. So to get the timing of a DAX expression, you will have to turn on this server timing option. So when you click on this server timings, it will take a few seconds and start. Now it's ready. So I'm going to evaluate our first measure using divide function. Before that, I'm going to clear the cache and I will click on run. So this is the result we are getting, 0.47. Now we are going to check the server timings. I will go to the server timings and here on the left, you can see the FE and SE. So these are two engines, formula engine and storage engine. So both are getting 0 milliseconds. That's why the total is also 0 milliseconds. So to execute this measure, it took 0 milliseconds, which means it was very fast. Now I'm going to execute the second measure using divide operator. So I'm going to select it and I'm going to clear the cache and click on run and see the server timings. You can see it is taking 17 milliseconds. So it is taking 17 milliseconds and the divide function was taking only 0 milliseconds. So there is so much of difference only for 10,000 of rows. So when the number of rows increases, this timing will also increase. So here we can clearly conclude that divide function is much faster than divide operator. So I can suggest you to go ahead with the divide function instead of divide operator. If you want to compare any two DAX functions, please write down in the comment and I am going to make a video on it. So that was it for this video. I hope you liked this video. If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching.